Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we discussed the sequence and series exercise number 9.1. In that we discussed up to 12th problem. But ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನೆ we are finding the first 5 terms, but here they ask obtain the corresponding series also. Previous video check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, we are finding only the terms ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, sequence terms, first 5 terms ಅಷ್ಟೇ. But here they are given the series ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, taking the plus between the terms, plus sign ತಗೋಬೇಕು, summation ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So therefore for the 11th one, as already we solved, but the series becomes what? For the 11th one, the series becomes now, series ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the first term is 3, the second term is 11, third term is 35, fourth term is 107, and last term is 323, and so on. That will be continued. So this way you have to write the last one. Similarly, and also we are finding the term, first 5 terms of the 12th problem also. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. A1 is -1, and similarly A2, A3, A4 and A5 are there. And same way for this one also, the series becomes, series ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, the first term is -1, the second term is -1/2, the third one is -1/6, and the fourth term is there, that is nothing but -1/24. Next, fifth term is -1/120, and so on. That will be continued. Understand the concept? The same thing. Let us go and discuss another 2 problems here. They are nothing but 13th one and 14th one. The same thing are there. The 13 is having as per 11th and 12. 11, 12 ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 13, 18, and last one is Fibonacci sequence is there. That one we discussed in the today's class. So next, go and discuss the 13th one now. 13th discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. So 13th is ನೋಡ್ರಿ, A1, A2 they are given, and An they are given as An is equal to An -1 is there where n is greater than 2 is there. The natural numbers are greater than 2. So means here already they are given the first as well as second term. First term ಮತ್ತು second term ಕೊಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟಾರಿ. First term is 2 and also second term is also 2. Same ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. So same first term second term same ಇದ್ದಾಗ that sequence is called as Fibonacci sequence. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 13 ಮತ್ತು 14th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, the sequence Fibonacci sequence ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ what the an they are given as an -1 is there if it is. Now let us taking the n as greater than 2 now. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ greater than 2 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. The n as greater than 2 now. Greater than 2 ಅನ್ನೋದ್ಲೆ the next 3 terms becomes what? N is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, and n is equal to 5 here. So therefore let us consider n is equal to 3 here. The A3 becomes what? A, here n is 3 here, 3 -1 -1. So therefore here A2 will come -1 in there. So substituting the A2, and A2 is nothing but 2 here. So 2 - 1 becomes what? 1 itself. So therefore the A3 means third term also becomes 1. The first term is 2, the second term is 2. By considering an as means nth term as an -1 is there. Now taking n value is greater than 2 here, n value is greater than 2 here. So that will become what? N is equal to 3 now. N is equal to 3, therefore A3 becomes what? A3 -1 is there, if as it is. A3 -1 becomes A2 now, in second term. In second term you have to subtract 1 here. So therefore 2 -1 becomes 1. So this way you have to find out the third term. Similarly, let us take n is equal to 4 now. Because when you take n is equal to 4, automatically the fourth term comes. The fourth term becomes what? So same, considering the nth term here, n is nothing but 4 here, n a is equal to what? A4 is equal to A4 minus 1 and minus 1 as it is. So this becomes what? A3 here. In third term we have to subtract minus 1 here. The third term already we know, that is 1 here. So 1 minus 1 becomes what? 0. So therefore A4 becomes what? 0 here. A4 in I3 0 I. Now again and the last one we have to find out, that is what? Fifth term now. Fifth term consider it. The fifth term now means n is equal to 5, consider matrix. So the A5 becomes what? A5 minus 1, minus 1 is there. So this becomes what? A4. In A4 term means fourth term, you have to subtract 1 here. The A4 value is 0 here, 0 minus 1. So last term is minus 1 here. So therefore the first term is 2, second term is 2. And also we find out the A3 as 1, A4 as 0 and A5 as minus 1. So this way you have to find out the first 5 term of the given Fibonacci sequence, that is nth term. So now considering the same 5 terms now, you have to find out the series now, series continuity. So therefore the first one is 2 here. Series is, the first one is 2. Right one as it is, next plus, second term is 2, next third term is what? 1 here, next fourth term is what? 0, next fifth term is minus 1, plus into minus becomes minus 1 and so on, thus series will come. Series continuous till 3, don't stop up to minus 1, let us take continuous. Next taking this, that becomes the series of the given 13 problem. 13 ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ sequence terms ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ, series terms ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. And we go with the last one, that is the Fibonacci sequence is defined by the A1 and A2 value they are given. As we discussed, the first and second term if they give, that is nothing but Fibonacci sequence. By considering that, we have to consider the nth term now. And here also an is equal to what? An minus 1 plus an minus 2 is there, where n is greater than 2 is there. So first we have to find out the sequence, and also there are two questions here. One is you have to find out the terms first, and also you have to find out the using this terms only. You have to find out an plus 1 divided by n, as n they are given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to fifth term you have to find out the ratio here. So now we go and discuss the 14th one now. First, I will find out the first 5 terms of the nth term now. So the 14th solutions becomes now A1 is 1, A2 is also 1. Now considering the nth term now, A becomes what? A n minus 1 plus A n minus 2 is there as it is. Next take where n is always greater than 2 is here. Automatically what? N becomes what? 3, 4 and 5, because the first 5 terms are A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 are there. So considering n is greater than 2 here. Now let us take n is equal to 3 first, find out the A3 now. A3 consider. A3 becomes what? A3 is nothing but A3 minus 1, A3 minus 1 plus A3 minus 2 here. Whatever the nth term is there, that one you have to take for the finding the third term. So now what? A2 plus A1 comes. A2 is how much? A2 is 1 and also A1 is 1. So therefore 1 plus 1 becomes what? 2 here. So therefore A3 value becomes 2 here. A3 value in A3 2. Similarly finding the fourth term now. Fourth term continuity. The fourth term is what? N is equal to 4 now. The same thing, substituting in the nth term now. A4 becomes what? A4 minus 1. N is 4. N is 4 here. A4 minus 2 is here. Now A4 becomes what? A3 plus A2. 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2. Now A3 we know, A3 value is 2 here and A2 value is 1 here. So therefore A4 becomes what? A4 becomes 3 here. So now I will write the terms now. The terms are A1 he is here 1, A2 he is here 1 itself, A3 value is 2 here, A3 is 2 here, A3 value is how much? 2 here, A4 value is also 3 here. Let us find another term, that is fifth term now. Finding the fifth term now, A5. A5 is, you have to consider n is equal to 5 now. A 5 minus 1 plus A 5 minus 2 is there. From that, we will get 5 minus 1 is 4. Next, A 5 minus 2 is 3 here. As you know the values here, A1, A2, A3, A4. And substituting these values here, A4 value is 3 here and A3 value is 2. So therefore, A5 becomes what? 5 itself. Another A5 in the term 5 never. Understand the concept? So this way you have to find out the Fibonacci terms now. By Fibonacci terms, that will become sequence. The terms are nothing but, elements are nothing but sequence. Now considering that, if you take the same thing as a series, that will become what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 and so on. The series is taken and so on. This becomes the series now. The first one we are finding. First one that is nothing but the sequence term and series here. Next, going with the next one, the another question they ask, an plus 1 divided by n. The ratio you have to consider by considering n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That one I will find now. Now consider the given term now, an plus 1 divided by an is there. If we consider n is equal to 1, the numerator becomes what? 1 plus 1 divided by a1 here. So therefore that will become what? A2 divided by a1. And as already we know the first 5 terms. Substituting those values in the ratio now. A2 is nothing but 1 here, A1 also 1. So therefore the first one becomes what? 1 here. Let us take n is equal to 1. Same way, let us take n is equal to 2 now. In the same nth term now, A2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 divided by what? A2 here, the ratio becomes what? A3 by A2 now. A3 is nothing but 2 here, A2 value is 1 here, 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Same way, let us take n is equal to 3 now. 3 plus 1 divided by 3 here means A4 by A3. The A4 is nothing but 3 here. 3 by A3 is nothing but 2. So 3 by 2 becomes the third one. So similarly considering n is equal to 4. So note n is equal to 1 consider ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 1 ಬಂತು. 2 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 3 2 ಬಂತು. 3 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 4 3 ಬಂತು. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ n is equal to 4 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ 4 plus 1 means 5 by A4 comes. 5 by A4. A5 is nothing but what? 5 is there, A4 value is 3. So answer becomes what? 5 by 3. And another one you have to find out, n is equal to 5 now. n is equal to 5 ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5 plus 1 divided by ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 by 5. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 6 term ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. So that purpose again going finding the A6 now. A6 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕ್ರಿ. A6 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ A5 ನ denominator substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get the fifth term. Now substituting a6 now a6 consider ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n minus means 6 minus 1 becomes 5, 6 minus 2 becomes 4 here. So therefore a5 plus a4 becomes what? a4 plus a5 is 5 plus 3 here, so means 8. So a6 becomes what? a6 becomes 8 here, 8 by a5 is 5 here. So this way you have to find out the Fibonacci sequence as well as Fibonacci series here. So this ends the exercise number 9.1 in the sequence and series chapter. So some more concepts are there in the sequence and series itself, that may be arithmetic progression, that may be geometrical progression or harmonic progression. That one we discuss in the next video. So thank you.